Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah, and I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel.
Look at this fucking car, man. I've been driving this around all morning. I don't even know what to say. Welcome to the vlog. Come in, guys. So, we just landed in Dubai. Just got to the apartment for the week. We're gonna be here for business. I've got a podcast to do, but before we even start the vlog, I have to show you this apartment because it's absolutely insane. First of all, this is one of the bedrooms. We're not gonna sleep in this one most likely. For context, we're on the 53rd floor. Like, I've never been this high in my life, but look, crazy bathroom, you don't really care about this. But this is where the magic really happens, okay? Look, so this is the living area. Unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. The styling is insane. This is the master bedroom. It looks sick, I love it. Imagine waking up to this view in the morning, literally unbelievable. But then, this is obviously the craziest part. We're going to be spending a week here, so it's going to be absolutely insane. It's about 1,000,000 degrees right now, but look at this fucking balcony. Look at this view. 53rd floor, right on the marina front. How can you possibly get any better than this? This is literally the craziest view I've ever seen. In fact, if you zoom in there as well, that is the palm. So you can literally see the palm. I don't even know what to say. I think this is the craziest apartment I've ever been in. It's gonna be an amazing vlog though. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already, drop a like, all that sort of stuff. Let's get into the vlog. We're gonna go do a podcast in a little bit. Get me away from that edge, man, it's scary as fuck. I'm late.
You're late.
I'm not late. Who are they gonna believe me that's late? The woman or the man?
That's cheeky.
Alright. Hello, brother. I have to go to Alpha Studio, 25th floor. Yeah, thank you.
I was like, man, this guy's flying to Dubai. I feel pressured. You know what it is? We've been talking about like a trip for a while because I've just been like working like crazy, and then you said it. I was like, hang on, yeah.
Who are we here with today?
Sam, otherwise known as Trenlines.
Wait, what's going on? What's the most you've made out in payouts?
Wow.
I'm not gonna lie, I low-key did not expect it to be that. He just said it was a sushi platter, but that's sick. Boys, this right here is genuinely the best sushi I've ever had in my life. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Even like just the fish, and look at this. It's all like so fucking soft. Real wasabi, by the way, like, because normal wasabi that you get regularly is not real wasabi unless it's like grated on one of these. I'm a bit of a sushi nerd, I can't lie, but genuinely the best sushi I've ever had in my life. I gotta give it to this place, Asia, if you come to Dubai. Yeah, what a night. Anyway, I'm gonna eat.
Boy better know that's the label. Boy better know that's the label. My mum told me to make a wish. I made a wish to get money. Now I'm in a club drinking like a fish. Definitely eating like a piranha. Forget beef, I leave that to the farmer. I put money on your head.
Yeah, no, I'm literally still fucking banned on Instagram, it's insane. Dubai's lit, man. It's so good. Yeah, it's sick. I'm looking at the palm right now. Yeah. What's good, guys? Good morning. Listen, so the time currently is 11 o'clock. Slept in a little bit, looked at the view this morning, which was a really good feeling. But yesterday was great, man. The podcast was unbelievable. The food was great. That sushi place, Asia, is unbelievable. You have to head out there. And, you know, I had some great time for reflection. This place is genuinely making me so unbelievably introspective. It's insane, because think about it, how much money is out there? You know, someone owns this building, someone owns this building, someone owns all of these places that I'm looking at and thinking, wow, I'd like to just live in one of these apartments. So it's a whole nother level of wealth that I've never even really encountered before, you know? In Cyprus, there's a lot of money, don't get me wrong, and I've encountered billionaires and multi-millionaires there, but this is just a scale above that. And I think that's what makes Dubai like the most motivating place I've ever been, which is great. But alongside that, actually, I was thinking about trading today. I was thinking about just sitting down for a little bit, trading the morning session. But that got me thinking, since I've been here, I haven't had the urge to look at the charts once. And I think that's such a big progress for me, specifically, because every time I go on a crazy trip, I always think how cool it would be for the content, or just in general, to hit TP, pay for the holiday, all that sort of stuff whilst you're here. And you might not relate to that, but you might relate to the fact of, you know, wanting to trade wherever you are, even if you're on holiday. And I think the most important thing to understand is that the traders who make the most money, and the times that I've made the most money, are when I've spent the least time on the charts, because the more time you spend on the charts, essentially the more opportunity you have to open yourself up to all of these things we're trying to avoid, right? Revenge trading, over trading. So yeah, super grateful to be able to just sit here, not have to worry about the money, and essentially just enjoy the week. And that's what I'm going to do this week. I don't think I'm going to trade unless I somehow see the biggest A+ setup in the world. But yeah, going to spend the time enjoying it. I've got another business meeting later tonight with a broker. They want to talk about something, I don't know what, but they just invited me out for dinner, so we'll see. And yeah, man, let's get along with the rest of the vlog. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far. If you have, drop a like. And also, I want you guys to drop how your trading's been. Let me know how your trading's been going in the comments. Let me know any questions you have. But more importantly, just update me with your journey. Last vlog I did, I asked you guys to update me on your trading journey. And in the comments, I had loads of people explaining, you know, where they were and all that sort of stuff. And I read and responded to absolutely every single comment related to trading there. So I'll do the same thing again on this vlog, because it really does help me understand where you guys are at. And it also helps you guys, because you maybe get some advice from me, but you also put it out there and, you know, you vocalize these problems. So guys, drop in the comments exactly what you're struggling with or where you're at right now. And yeah, see you guys soon. All right, boys, so we're on the way to Dubai Mall right now. Crazy hot, but apparently we need to go check that out. I'm gonna go see the Burj Khalifa. I just secured the car that I'm gonna rent for the next couple of days or tomorrow. We'll see what we're gonna do, but it's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. So you have to stay and watch for that one. It's gonna be insane. Yeah, super excited for that. Probably gonna go do some shopping now, let the wife spend some money, hopefully not too much. And yeah, loving Dubai so far, not gonna lie. Like the level of service here is ridiculous. Like valets everywhere, people are opening your doors. The views are insane, so yeah, man. Let's see what Dubai Mall has to say. I've heard there's so much to do there. And yeah, I'll see you when we're there.
That's wrong, yeah. We ain't linked up in a minute. You're closing the night when you finish. You say you wanted to see me later, and your eyes told me you ain't pretending. Pull up and pay me a visit. Let's talk about life, I ain't tripping. Smoke on some weed while I'm sipping. Vent to me, baby. Vent to me, baby. Vent to me, baby. Vent to me, baby. After that, we should get intimate, baby. I'm trying to do something expensive.
You said you had a few questions about. So apparently, they say that's the tallest building in the world. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I've seen taller, but ice cream. It's pretty hot right now. 2 likes on this video. I'll jump in the pool. You have to do it quickly because I'm not going to be in Dubai when the video is posted, so you have to like it now. That's an average size building. Like, have a look. There's definitely... That's too big, I think. Like, you wouldn't want it to be that big. Average is better. Alright boys, I need you to just look at this real quick. I need you to see this. Look at this. This sunset is just unbelievable. I've genuinely, and I really hope it comes through on the camera well enough, I've genuinely never seen something like this. Never in my entire life. The sun reflecting off the buildings. Look at that. Unbelievable. No way. That's insane. That is fucking crazy. Hello, my friend. Nice to meet you. How are you? Very good. How insane, huh? So for those of you who don't know, Huracan Evo spec is insane. Holy shit. That's nuts. Look inside. Crazy, no? Guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, to be truly honest. Boys, that is fucking insane. Low-key, I was too scared to put it in sport, but then the exhaust is crazy. It absolutely rips. It feels insane. It's pretty rough on the road, obviously, but that's insane to drive. Unbelievable car, truly, truly unbelievable. I don't even know what to say.